Hello. So here is your Sapna. This was the part one of the project iteration. So this was all about the front end documentation and what are the development process I'm using for the front end. Right? So first of all, I have used what our technology I've used. I have mentioned there. So first, if I go to this documentation, here I mentioned that for trend-based e-commerce platform, I use using Laravel framework and Blade template for the front end development. If you go through it word by word, you will understand like what our technology I have choose for this development process. So what I've done, I have choose PHP Laravel framework and I'm using Blade template of it for the front end development and AMUS package for managing the complex e-commerce functionalities. And here are some business tools for interaction with the perspective of user and reduce the factor of the customer admission, how they will interact with the website. I mentioned everything there. I have also mentioned in the report what are the color scheme I have used, what are the color palette I have used, font family, structure layout, and everything related to the front end. I have mentioned everything there. For the database, for the backend, whatever the database I'm using is MySQL database, and I am using AWS for hosting, and I will go for the GoDaddy for the domain, and I will share my code on the GitHub. So here I have deployed this complete website. Here, when you will go to this home page, this is the home page, and when you click on like here's the main categories: bestseller, new arrival, and hot deals. In bestseller, you can see the different categories. So here's actually the shop page of the website. Here you can see all the listings here working, like whatever the listing I have done in the backend. Those all are here. You can select any of this one and add it to the basket. It will be added to the basket, right? As I check out, here's I can check out. Right? As you go to the basket, you can see I whatever the items I have, and then when you go to checkout, here you can check out as you provide all the information related to users, and then you will get to the next page where you can like select the delivery method and whatever details you are choosing, like you can use the FedEx and everything, right? And then just go to next. Here you can see what is the payment method you are going to apply for this order. You can choose whatever like cash on delivery or PayPal. So next order will be placed here, and you will see buy now. For this, for buy now, you need to accept the terms and conditions. And here you need to buy now, order will be placed. This is a part of this front end e-commerce website. Here you can search any of the product, like whatever the listing there was, like product name was black shirt. If I go to search it, I search black. Here you can see all the items related to black, right? So these are listed here. This is the search item. And for the backend, I am working on it. Here you will click on it, you can go to the admin. So here is some error because I'm working on it, and for the next part you will see whatever like backend will be. That's all for this video.